Here's the thing about mornings. You're not failing because you lack motivation. Most people wake up and immediately start reacting. Phone. Messages. Whatever just came in. And that sets the whole day. Your morning doesn't need to be impressive. It just needs to be yours. Before the world shows up with demands. Step 1. Water and light. Just a glass. Room temperature if that's easier. Your brain's been offline for hours. Hydration wakes it up faster than coffee ever will. Then, light. Go outside if you can. Stand by a window if you can't. This matters more than you think. Light tells your body it's time to be awake. Not later, right now. Step 2. One clear target. Not a list. One thing. If this gets done today, you win. Write it down somewhere you'll see it. Most people don't realize how much energy gets burned just deciding what matters. When you already know, the rest of the day gets easier. Step 3. Protect attention. No scrolling for the first hour. No news. No feeds. I know that feels hard. But what you let in early shapes where your mind goes all day. You're not missing anything urgent. You're choosing where your focus lands. And that's the difference. Consistency. This isn't a routine you perform. It's 3 small things you do because they work. Quiet habits. Done again tomorrow. If you're starting this in the morning, drop morning reset in the comments. That's your word to yourself. Next video, we'll talk about discipline. The real kind. Not the loud version. The one that actually lasts.